Our next stop here at Toon, Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin. Knock on it, Anthony.
If you ain't got the password, you ain't coming in. So am straight.
I spy a Pizza Planet truck in the queue for Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin, and it's carrying the dip. You guys ready to get on Benny?
Yeah!
Benny, our cab, is on its way. And he's all lit up and ready to go.
Oh, that's how it spins?
Oh, okay. Spin option.
Oh, Roger, we been there! Get away from this pouring the dip, boy.
Jesus. It's cool. It's a bull in a china shop. Whoa, danger, high voltage.
Danger. Warning.
Warning, Will Robinson. They're the kids. Oh no! Oh, going to the trash. Oh, going to the trash.
Not good, not good.
Go backwards.
Hey! Put you out of contrition? This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me.
Go, Jessica.
This will make a swell boil.
Dip the Indian strip.
Oh no, dip.
Got a portable hole! I'll say that!
Thanks, Roger. The end. Ta-da! For an attraction that's for Roger Rabbit, which I do love that movie, Who Framed Roger Rabbit. I thought it was a lot of fun getting to see that. It's like you're in the cartoon itself. Definitely something you should do here at Toontown. I mean, there was a 45-minute wait. I can see why, for good reason.